We're back on Ground Zero and we're here to talk about an issue that has caused a buzz among Stompers this week. Blue-collar workers and whether they're coping with life here.
Wine. That's what Stomper PT feels many Singaporeans do all the time.
Stomper Peter was prompted to write a post after having a couple of conversations with taxi drivers, hawkers and blue-collared workers. He said, "I'm utterly disappointed and disgusted with the attitude of many blue-collar workers in Singapore." He added, "Do they even know how fortunate they are to be able to live safely in a house and in a city with comparatively lower taxes?" However, Stompers did not take too well to his comments, with 52% voting that they were enraged on the mood meter.
Many Stompers shared their personal anecdotes of how a higher standard of living has put a great strain on people, especially the blue-collared workers. Stomper Bananas in Pyjamas said, "I pity my dad. He's 50 this year, earning a little under $2,000 per month from 2 different jobs and has 7 mouths to feed. If the standard of living keeps getting higher, I hope the government helps these blue-collar workers more."
Another Stomper, G-Speedy09, explained his case. "My dad is in his 50s, has a degree, but is still working hard. Why? Simple reason, because the cost of living is high. Education is getting more expensive every year. Even though we are living well within our means, working hard to ensure there's enough food on the table is no joke. Therefore, please have at least some sympathy for those who earn even less."
However, Stomper Moon Landing is Fake said that every country has their dark side, and he said it's more important to measure your life in terms of happiness than in income earned. In life, it's dependent on what you want. Which one comes first to you? Do it first. Ask yourself this question: did I try my best?
Yes, the rising cost of living is making it harder for everyone, whether they're blue-collared workers or not. I hope, the more fortunate among us can reach out and help those who are less privileged.
You know, Shivali, there's another group of workers who have it hard in Singapore, and it's because of Singaporeans' poor attitudes towards them. Stomper P, who is a healthcare professional in Singapore, observed that Singaporeans treat nurses as though they are maids at our beck and call.
Stomper P expressed her frustration. They expect to be attended to as soon as possible without realizing there are other patients in the queue. Long hours, little pay, and to top it off, unappreciative patients. These people seriously need to do some self-reflection and require re-education.
Stomper P's comments garnered a 66% enraged from Stompers on the mood meter. A number of Stompers came forward to share their stories of how they have been helped by healthcare professionals in their time of need. Stomper Blue Pixie said, "I salute all the nurses in both the public and private hospitals. They have been there for me when I needed them most."
Stomper Missy Ali, who is also a nurse, shared her experience. Her take on the matter is that it is the duty of a nurse to care for her patients.
Well, Shivali, I must say that whenever I've been to the hospital, I've been attended to with utmost patience and care, for which I am very grateful. We should not hesitate to smile and say a big thank you to those who are trying their best to help one get better.
Yep, that's right. Next up, we talk about how Singaporeans are taking positive steps in dealing with issues. So stay tuned for more.